Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up automatic messages on Upwork, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and then go to the messages option, which is at the bottom of the screen, the fourth option, and after that near that search bar click on the three dots, and after that click on the out of office option. So here you can set up your out of office response, and if you want to send automatic replies to incoming messages, then turn off this option. First, you can see your time zone, but if you want to change, then click on the edit your profile, and there you can change your time zone. After that, you can set up the first day and last day, and you can type in your message. So here is an example: I'm out of office until this date and may not respond immediately. Thank you for your understanding. And note, this setting does not affect your freelancer availability. You can adjust your availability on the Find Work page. And if you're all set, then click on the Submit, and then you're all set. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.